Hello everyone and good morning. Today we have an interesting stripped down episode for you. We'll be looking at this robot floor scrubber, and so if you ever wondered what is inside some of these robots and how they work, stay tuned. This is the Samsung 7070 floor scrubber. So I was given this floor scrubber a while back in the hope that I could find out what is wrong with it, why it wasn't working. I began to check it the other day, and it comes with a charging station, which is that one there, and two contacts here, and that's the battery which goes into the main robot, and this is a power adapter which is 21.6 volts. So I hooked it up and I found that the charging station wasn't coming on, but this one had power, 21.6 volts. You could check it at the little plug there, and so I had to start taking it apart. What I found is there wasn't anything simple that obvious that was wrong. What follows is a whole series of photographs of the different stages.